Today, we're covering proxies for freelance platform, multi-accounting on Upwork and Fiverr. With Upwork processing over $3.8 billion in freelancer earnings annually, and Fiverr serving millions of buyers and sellers worldwide. For agencies, service providers, and freelancers looking to expand their market presence, operating multiple accounts can increase visibility, test different niches, and diversify revenue streams. Both Upwork and Fiverr strictly prohibit multi-accounting and employ sophisticated detection systems. This guide covers the technical infrastructure needed to manage multiple accounts using proxies, along with the operational considerations that determine long-term success. Upwork's detection system is among the most sophisticated in the freelance industry. It requires government ID verification for freelancers in many countries, and some accounts must complete video calls to verify identity. Upwork tracks and cross-references IP addresses across all accounts, and shared payment destinations like PayPal, bank accounts, or wire details connect accounts to one another. Similar proposal writing styles, identical work samples, and overlapping client interactions all trigger scrutiny. Browser and device fingerprints are collected and compared, and Upwork's desktop app collects additional system information during time tracking. Fiverr uses a different but equally thorough approach. It detects multi-accounts through network and device signals, and its AI analyzes gig descriptions, images, and pricing for duplicates. Work samples are compared across accounts using image and text similarity, and customer communication patterns are analyzed. Fiverr requires a unique payment method and a unique phone number per account. Due days and due-out proxies are the optimal choice for freelance platform operations. Freelancers legitimately work from mobile networks, making mobile IPs natural and high trust. High IP trust scores reduce verification requirements during registration. Geographic targeting supports location-specific freelance profiles, and sticky sessions maintain consistent IPs during client communications and time tracking. Upwork's time tracking tool records screenshots and activity data. The IP address during track time is compared against the account's login history. If you're tracking time through one IP but previously logged in through a different one, inconsistencies can trigger reviews. Use the same proxy for all activities on a given account, including login, proposal submission, messaging, and time tracking. What over to Ian Nolt, via praga to gesto thomo kunzeka no.
That proxies. Gboto płacą tara doroniu prac.
Start by preparing identity documents, since each account needs a unique, verifiable identity. Connect to the assigned mobile proxy, geolocated to the country on your documents, and configure an anti-detect browser with a fresh profile and fingerprint matching a typical freelancer's device. Complete registration with all unique information. Verify your identity if required in your country. Build out the profile with portfolio, skills, work history, and a professional summary. Then pass any readiness test. Upwork may require. Each account needs a unique professional headshot, not AI generated, as Upwork can detect these. Distinct portfolio samples, using original work, a different skill focus, per account, such as one for web development and another for content writing, a completely rewritten professional summary, different hourly rates reflecting different skill sets, and separate employment history. For Fiverr, connect to a mobile proxy matching the seller's claimed country, then register with a unique email that doesn't link to other accounts. Complete phone verification with a unique number per account. Create a seller profile with a unique photo, description, and skills. And build 3 to 5 initial gigs with original titles, descriptions, images, and pricing. Complete any seller assessment Fiverr requires. Each account needs original gig images designed uniquely rather than shared templates, different service categories, completely rewritten gig descriptions, different pricing structures, separate FAQ sections, and unique packages and add-ons. The most sustainable multi-account strategy assigns different niches to different accounts. This makes each account appear as a specialized professional, prevents competing with yourself for the same jobs, reduces the risk of clients encountering your other accounts, and creates natural differentiation in communication styles. For Upwork specifically, proposals are a key differentiator. Write completely different proposal templates for each account and personalize every proposal, since both platforms can detect mass-sent templates. Reference specific details from the job posting, vary your opening hooks, value propositions, and closing statements, and don't mention the same case studies or past projects across accounts. Each account should have a distinct communication style, with response times that vary naturally between accounts. Don't share files or links between accounts that could create a trail. If a client from one account contacts another account, handle it naturally without revealing the connection. PayPal, wire transfer, or direct deposit must all be unique per account. Don't withdraw to the same bank account from multiple Upwork accounts, and consider using separate business entities for each account. On Fiverr, PayPal or bank account must be unique per account. Fiverr revenue cards can provide additional separation, and accounts should not be linked to the same financial infrastructure. Freelance income from all accounts is taxable. Multiple accounts with different identities create complex reporting requirements, so maintain detailed records of income per account. Consult with a tax professional about proper reporting structures. In some jurisdictions, using fictional identities on freelance platforms may have legal implications. Upwork's Connect system limits proposal submissions. New accounts receive limited connects, and additional ones must be purchased using the account-specific payment method. Never submit proposals from multiple accounts for the same job, as this is a major detection signal. Track which accounts bid on which jobs to prevent overlap. Fiverr ranks sellers in levels based on performance. New seller, level 1, level 2, and top-rated seller. Each level requires meeting response rate, delivery time, and rating thresholds. Build each account's level independently and prioritize quality metrics over quantity. A level 2 seller earns significantly more than a new seller. Upwork's Job Success Score, or JSS, is the most important metric for account viability. Maintain JSS above 90% on all accounts by completing contracts professionally, avoiding cancellations and disputes, and responding to client feedback constructively. Each account's JSS is independent, so a poorly performing account does not affect others. View all less. If one account is suspended, don't access other accounts from the same proxy or device immediately. Switch all remaining accounts to fresh mobile proxies from different carriers. Review all isolation measures for any shared payment, contact, or identity details. And wait 48-72 hours before resuming normal activity on other accounts. Don't appeal the suspended account from infrastructure shared with other accounts to prevent suspension in the first place. Maintain strict infrastructure isolation at all times. Monitor account health metrics weekly. Respond to platform communications promptly. And stay within platform terms of service for all client interactions. When managing multiple accounts, client confidentiality is paramount. Never share client information between accounts. Don't reuse deliverables from one account's clients for another. Maintain separate project files per account. And if a client's project overlaps with another account's client, handle it with extreme care. Work over clients. For agencies operating multiple freelance accounts, assign each team member 1 to 2 accounts maximum. Provide training on the specific identity and communication style for each account. Implement review processes for proposals and deliverables. Use separate communication channels for each account's management and track performance metrics per account and per team member. The multi-accounting equation is fundamentally about quality. A single account with excellent reviews and high JSS generates more revenue than 5 poorly rated accounts. Focus on building 3 to 5 excellent accounts rather than 20 mediocre ones. Client relationships and reputation compound over time, and sustainable operations prioritize account longevity over rapid scaling. Freelance platform multi-accounting with proxies requires a unique blend of technical infrastructure and professional service delivery. Mobile proxies provide the network foundation, but success depends on building genuinely differentiated professional identities, each with unique skills, portfolios, communication styles, and client relationships. The freelancers and agencies who succeed treat each account as an independent professional practice. The proxy infrastructure is just the foundation. The real competitive advantage comes from delivering excellent work through multiple specialized personas that each build their own reputation and client base. The one call multi-gear deeper. Related topics worth reading include anti-detection, best practices for account farming operations, the best proxies for social media account farming, proxy strategies for Facebook ads, multi-account management, mobile proxies for Instagram, multi-account management, ad account IP isolation, and payment method and account isolation for ad platforms. For more guides like this, visit us at dataresearchtools.com. See you in the next one.